take all the guesswork out of gnocchi. So we're going to take all-purpose flour, eggs that have been beaten. Yeah, there we go. I'm going to make a mess. By the way, I've had shoulder surgery. I've got shoulder surgery, so you have to put up with me. Ricotta.
You look like a superhero, so I'm shocked that you had to have shoulder surgery. Are you okay?
Yeah, I had 3 tendons moved out of my right shoulder, 6 pills. Some cheese. Can you? Because I can't serve that. You know, the fun part about this is, it's not difficult. You can make this in advance. You can put it in your refrigerator, come home at night, you know, Johnny's swim practice, Melissa's dance practice, it's all finished. It's over, right? and it's simple. So when you get it, mix it all together, and when you get it to a bowl, cut it into 4 pieces. Really simple.
You want, Chef, you want a little nutmeg in here?
That's why.
A bit of nutmeg.
Rachel Ray. Nutmeg.
Anything with ricotta, anything with dairy, or anything with dark greens is very traditional in Italian cooking to add nutmeg to it.
See, you do that much better than me.
Well, I've got 2 arms right now that work, so don't take it personally.
That's why I feel like an imposter right now, like this. All right.
So you cut it into 4.
Cut it into 4.
Yeah.
Get it nice. Roll it into fingers like you have over there, or lengths.
Right, I got you. So here's your balls, right? Then, oh, jeez. I love saying balls. It's so fun. Okay, so then you roll it into length.
Little semolina.
A little semolina.
Onto the board. Roll it out, and then with your trusty cutter there.
Scrape. Yep.
Make little gnocchis. Now the cool thing with this is make sure you put them back in the refrigerator to set up a little bit. Yeah,
if you chill them out, then you can throw them in the hot tub and they'll stay together. They'll firm up better for you if you chill them a little bit, right?
Exactly. Gnocchi's in. Also over here, we have a mushroom sauce that's reducing down. We've got some rosemary. I'm not going to take it off. I just broke the stems because if you don't like it, it'll flavor the sauce.
Is there capers in this too?
There's capers in there.
Okay.
Mushroom broth, and we got a little bit of this wine, Pinot Grigio. Oh yeah, it smells good. We're just going to turn it up, reduce it down,
and let it cook down.
Let it cook down.
Okay.
So you can see the gnocchi is already coming to rise.
That's how we know the gnocchi is done. It comes up to the top and says, "Hi, what's up?" Yeah.
Lemon juice, acid is really good. It helps you start metabolism, breaks down food really quickly in your stomach. So you don't feel like you've had a 28-pound steak.
It won't feel heavy. Yeah. I love that.
Okay, I'm going to come over here, take a little bit of butter.
You want me to transfer these over,
please,
Robert? Okay, darling. Well, I don't want you to hurt your arm.
You're too sweet.
Poor little thing. Oh, well, you're not a little thing. You're a big, tough thing. Oh.
Listen, I'm coming home with you.
Any day of the week, you are welcome in our home, Chef. Of course you are.
She's so sweet.
You're part of our family. All right. You're part of our family.
So.
Gorgeous. A mountain of gnocchi.